What is extruded aluminium? Aluminium extrusion is a process by which aluminium alloy material is forced through a die with a specific cross-sectional profile. The answer to this particular question would be: extrusion is the process where a metal or a metal bar is pulled through a mandrel to elongate it or give it a final shape. Aluminium which is extruded is a common form of making small aluminium wire, bars or beams and many varieties of small non-structural decorative pieces. How the rank of the coal is obtained? Coal is classified into four main types or ranks: anthracite, bituminous, subbituminous, and ignite. The ranking depends on the types and amounts of carbon, the coal content, and on the amount of heat energy the coal can produce. The answer to this question would be: the rank of the coal is determined by the carbon-hydrogen ratio. The ratio of carbon increases from 75% to 93% and the hydrogen content decreases from 20 to 3%.